Alright, look, I take this deck and now I shuffle these cards like this. Why not? And now I take one random cards. Maybe my random cards, 7 of spades, change ace of spades. It's really crazy. And now I shuffle these cards, maybe like this. Spectator stop anytime. You stop me 3 of clubs. 3 of clubs, drop it like this. Snap my finger, 3, 2, 1, and now this ace of clubs. You search 2 ace. It's not bad. And now spectator stop anytime and search ace number. It's jack of diamonds. It's not ace. Right, look, jack of diamonds. Make it like this, and now this ace of hearts. Wow. And now I shuffle these cards, maybe like this. Why not? And now 1 card. Now this. Yes, ace of diamonds. The next step, you search for ace. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really nice production for ace. It's really unbelievable, it's really cool, it's really easy to do. It's really pure sleight of hand. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now. Maybe share this video with your friend magician. Why not? Maybe your friend really magician. Why not? Right, look, this is 9 of diamonds, 9 of diamonds, vanish. Of course, 9 of diamonds, not vanish. So guys, it's really unbelievable card effects. It's really crazy production for ace. Why not? And now I teach this trick. Yes, it's really true. Let's go. Alright, for this trick you make a little setup. Alright, you take 3 of clubs, you take 9 of spades, you take queen of hearts, and take 4 ace. Right? And this deck really make shuffle. It's really true. It's really normal deck. Right. So your setup look like this. You take this 2 red ace and put in her like this. Right. Next step, you take this 3 of clubs, put in her like this. Take ace of clubs, put in her like this. Take queen of hearts, put in her like this. Take 9 of spades, put in her like this. Take ace of spades, put in her like this. I repeat your setup. Look. Look. Ace of spades, 9 of spades, queen of hearts, ace of clubs, 3 of clubs, 2 ace of hearts, ace of diamonds, 2 red ace. Alright. And this pile put in her. So next step, you make any full shuffle. You make really any full scat, any full shuffle. Maybe you make this shuffle. You take your left hand, make a little. Your left hand take little pile, your right hand take this pile. You make really shuffle. And now this pile, drop it like this. Of course, you control it and save it your setup. I repeat, take little pile, make really shuffle, and this pile, drop it like this. It's really easy full shuffle, right? You control it full setup, full stack. Right, maybe shuffle like this, why not? It's really make any full scat. Right. And next step, you turn over 2 cards like this. You make any full. Alright, next step, you make a double lift. You turn over 2 cards. Alright, you make any double lift, maybe like this, maybe like this. You make really any double lift. Right. Maybe your right hand count 2 cards and turn over like this and show this 9 of spades. And next step, you spin this 9 of spades like this and take this 9 of spades like this. And now your right hand palmed ace of spades. Look, your left hand make move it like this, and now your right hand palmed this ace of spades like this, and now your ace of spades here. Right? Your left hand make move it like this, your right hand make it change this 9 of spades, ace of spades like this. It's really easy change. Look, it's really easy. Right. And now you make a change like this. So, and next step you make show it this. Right, next step you show it this ace of spades like this. Of course, this is 2 cards. Your left hand take these 2 cards, make move it like this, take these 2 cards, and now your left hand takes this 9 of spades and move it like this. Your right hand turn over this ace of spades like this, and now this ace of spades, drop it like this. It's really easy. Look, your ace of spades, move it like this, take this ace of spades and move it like this and drop this ace of spades. It's really easy. And now you have 9 of spades here. Alright. And next step, you have this finger, count 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a break. Alright, I repeat, it's really easy. And take 4 cards. Alright, it's really 4 cards. This finger, take 4 cards. It's really easy. It's really true. Alright, look, your right hand takes these 4 cards, I'm sorry. This is 3 of clubs, and make a break and save it your break like this. Alright, this is 3 of clubs. And next step, you make a double undercut. You take this little pile, put in here like this, and take this little pile, put in here like this. Of course, your setup look like this: 3 of clubs, ace of clubs, queen of hearts, and 9 of spades. Alright, and this 2 red ace. And next step, spectator, stop anytime, maybe stop me here, it's really free, it's not force. And now you take these cards and make a swing cut like this and turn over this pile, and this pile turn over like this and show this 3 of clubs. It's really easy force. Look, stop anytime, maybe here, and now you make a swing cut and turn over this pile, and now you turn over this pile like this. Right, stop, alright, and show these cards. It's really easy force. Please stop anytime, maybe here, right? Your cards, 3 of clubs, and now your right hand count 2 cards and take these 2 cards and turn over like this. This is 2 cards. Take these 2 cards, turn over like this, and now your left hand takes this 3 of clubs and move it like this. Alright, and now your right hand takes this ace of clubs, because your cards 3 of clubs put in here. And this ace of clubs, drop it like this, snap your finger and show this ace of clubs. This ace of clubs, put in here like this. Of course, you turn over this deck like this, make a dribble, and spectator stop anytime. Maybe here, why not? You take this card, show it this card, this 3 of clubs. It's really no ace, because it's 2 aces here. And now you have this finger, count 2 cards, 1, 2, make a break and save it your break. And now you take these 2 cards. This is 1 ace and 3 of diamonds. And now make a change, make a switch like this. You take these 2 cards and turn over this 3 of diamonds, and these cards turn over like this. Of course, this ace of hearts. Look, take these 2 cards, move it like this, and move it like this, and show it this ace of hearts. It's really easy switch. Look, take these 2 cards, turn over, take this ace of hearts, shake it, and show it this ace of hearts. Drop it like this. And now you slide 1 card, drop it like this, slide 1 card, this ace of diamonds, drop it like this, and now you make a false shuffle like this, and this pile, drop it like this. Of course, it's really easy. You take little pile, make a really shuffle, and this pile, drop it like this. Of course, you control this ace of diamonds. And next step, your production is ace of diamonds like this. Your left hand slides ace of diamonds like this, right? Look, zhik. It's really easy. And now you use this finger, shot this ace of diamonds like this. It's really easy shot. Look, you use this finger, push this corner, this ace of diamonds, and the ace of diamonds shot like this. It's really easy. It's really easy production. Look, I repeat. And production is ace of diamonds. It's really easy card trick. It's really unbelievable effects. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.